Em ơi, hôm mới gọi điện với lại à. Có lát like dần gì đó. Bye bye. Sorry. Lên thì đã đi lại là. Hey science dude, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm making this art. And it just needs 3 things. Some pure milk, some food dye, and some detergent. Last time, I teach you how to make these, right? That's why today I'm going to show you this art. Let's pour the milk in this bowl. Squirt. If you see any bubbles like these in your bowl full of milk, then you have to poke it out if you're doing this experiment. Now, let's add the food dyes to surround it. Make it prettier. Add the food dye like a circle, but not layer by layer. We will add the detergent in the center. Wow, it was like a big bang, like our solar system. See? If you bring them to the front, you can make beautiful art things. Put this thing in there and oh my goodness! Let's try again. Wow! It's so cool. Let's wait for it to dry. Then it will look like this. You can try again and we'll try to use a little bit of milk. Then you can make it like that much more easier. Like and subscribe. Bye.